Maganda lahat eh. Pero para sa akin, elegant yung black.
Oo.
Pero common kasi yung black din, di ba? Pero elegant.
Oo.
Ito na lang sa din. Tabi ka dito, tabi. Tingnan mo, ang dami kong tatsang. Mas maganda i-bend mo para matangkad. Yan. At saka kita mo yung brand. O diba?
Wala
Ang
naman.
daming kartehan ni Lilian.
No, this one. No. This is fine.
You can check the wallet.
Can I pay it through card payment?
Yes.
I think it's okay.
You need a bag?
Eh?
$1.
Thank you. Yeah. Let's go.
Ayan, video tayo, Ben. Ayan, Ben.
Isang tagal. It's okay.
It's okay.